Microsoft Surface Pro X. Such a tiny but controversial device. The ARM architecture is not yet fully optimized.
Oh yeah.
And the reviews out there are either sky high or down on the floor.
You will either see 1-star reviews or 5-star reviews. There is nothing really in between. We couldn't see anything in between, and that is telling.
Yeah,
it? That's very telling.
But within the 2 weeks that we've had this device, somebody has fallen in love with it.
And that's me. And we're going to tell you maybe 6 reasons. We're going to tell you 6 reasons why we think this is the device you should get above anything else right now, the Microsoft Surface Pro X.
Big words. Reason number 1 is the solid state drive, the removable SSD.
And we think it is a nice touch because we can always upgrade. We have 128 gigabyte, and having this available gives us a bit more freedom along the road. It makes it a bit more future-proof, we believe, right?
Absolutely. And reason number 2
is the Gigabit LTE, and we like the connected on the go. It is also more secure. If you look at the security of LTE, it's way more secure than sitting somewhere in a cafe if you don't pay anything extra, right? Then it's a consideration you have to take into consideration.
And also where we live, it's good to have the LTE version and not rely on wireless, because wireless isn't available everywhere.
So reason number 3 is the design. We absolutely love the design. We love the edge-to-edge screen, and we have the Surface Pro 6 at home. When you go back and work on that, which is pretty much the same design as the Surface Pro 7, then you don't want to go back, because this is so much nicer, right?
I also think the added thoughtfulness with the pen and the keyboard and how it all works together, I think the added thoughtfulness is worth it on the design.
It's a new keyboard, a new pen. We like the whole package. We like what we see. We like the kickstand, the whole package, the whole thing. Design-wise,
thumbs up. Reason number 4 is the awesome battery life.
Yes, so the battery life really accelerates when you use all the ARM apps, right? When you have the applications available for ARM, there will be more coming out. We know that's a limitation as of today, but the battery life is absolutely insane, right? We come to 2 days of light to medium use. When you watch Netflix, then you have probably 9-10 hours. We came to 9 hours Netflix watch time, and we have a really insane battery life as long as you use these ARM applications, and I'm pretty sure that Microsoft will come out with more than what's out there right now.
Which is even more perfect for on the go when you're traveling for the day. You don't need to charge.
Yeah, and they also have this optimization between Wi-Fi and LTE. It works pretty well.
So reason number 5 is probably the most important reason for this device, and that is the productivity, actually being able to do everything that you want to do on the go.
Pretty cool. You have to, as we said, you have this cool keyboard, the new pen. You can take notes. You can plug in 2 4K monitors. We didn't have any issues by doing so. Everything works fine, which gets to point number 6, right? That's the portability.
So reason number 6 is the portability, taking it on the go, taking it on the plane, on the train, wherever you are going, sitting in the back of the car while I chauffeur him around.
Yeah, the whole package really works for us, and I think it works for a lot of people. That's why the Surface Pro lineup worked in the first place, right? And we should really do a comparison between the Surface Pro 7 and this one, because I've seen people that the Surface Pro 7 is better. We believe this is way better than anything out there.
So we had a lot of negative comments regarding this device. What would your comeback be to that?
Well, we also had a lot of positive comments, so there's kind of a 50-50 out there. But what I would say is we do recognize there's a limitation on ARM right now, right? And I believe that Microsoft will fix this, and also other developers, because Microsoft will push this device. When you look at the Surface Pro 7 lineup and its limitation there, then this is the future of Microsoft. So other people have to come on board 100%. I believe this is buying into the future for Microsoft and for the ARM on Windows.
My little add-on to that would be that it's not a device for everybody.
No,
that it isn't aimed at everybody. No device can be aimed at everybody. No. So there will be haters.
Well, it's like different opinions, maybe not haters.
Yeah.
Haters is a strong word, and I'm just going to erase that. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Give us big thumbs up. We want to continue with our journey Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Thank you for watching, and we are so cold we're gonna
We
go
are
now.
so
Bye.
cold.